high temperature and low temperature resistance, strong chemical corrosion resistance, safe, non-slip, easy to clean and non-fading, water-based polyurethane mortar floor. It was specially developed for food workshop floors. Wear resistance and compression resistance. Hello everyone. I am Lee Yonggeksin. Welcome to my channel. Share with you this issue. Construction process of waterborne polyurethane mortar self-leveling. If you are interested in this video, come with me please. Start the grinder, grinding the concrete foundation floor of the ground. Reinforced polyurethane material, adhesion to base concrete. At the same time, also remove slurry and loose particles on the surface of the base layer. If there are conditions at home, can be processed with a steel shot sandblasting machine. The effect may be better. The edges and corners of the wall are not polished properly. Metal grinding discs can be installed using an angle grinder. Perform sanding. Make sure the concrete foundation surface is rough. After all the ground is polished, to proceed to the next step of construction. Use a broom to clean all the dust on the ground. Then use the ink bucket line to elastic the ground. The distance of the bullet lines is grid. The distance is 1.5 meters times 1.5 meters. 10 centimeters around the wall pillar should also be elastic thread. Install cutting discs using an angle grinder. Cut along the disc line of the ground. Anchor grooves allow the coating to be embedded in the concrete base. Form an anchor effect. Make the coating bond more firmly with concrete. The depth and width of the anchoring groove are about 2-3 m. Slotting is a very important process. The purpose is to disperse the mechanical and liquid stresses caused by shrinkage and temperature changes. Clean up all the dust on the ground. To proceed to the next step of construction. Pour the color paste into the empty bucket. Pour the lotion into the bucket. Initial mixing with a double head mixer. Then pour the curing agent into the bucket. If the ingredients of decuring agent are mixed into it, it must be used up within 15 minutes, otherwise it's completely a liquid. Hard. Then pour the polar aggregate into the bucket. The first step must be to pour accessories while stirring. When mixing, adjust the mixer to the maximum speed. Mix the ingredients evenly. Waterborne polyurethane is composed of 4 groups of ABCD materials. Pour the mixed ingredients on the ground. Scrape the material flat with a 2 mm trowel. Required to trowel evenly. No scratches can occur. After the ingredients are stirred, need to use up ASAP. After a long time, the material has no fluidity. After all troweling of the ground is completed, wait at least 8 hours. To proceed to the next step of construction. Pour the color paste into the empty bucket. Pour the lotion into the bucket. Initial mixing with a double head mixer. And then you pour the curing agent into the tub. Pour the grading accessories into the bucket. This step must pour excipients while stirring. Prepare a 2 mm trowel in advance. There is also a defoaming roller and spikes. Use a 2 mm slow knife to scrape the material flat. Then use the defoaming roller to roll the sauce. The purpose is to eliminate the bubbles generated during stirring. I don't know which tool to use. You can find us. The roller can be used 4 to 5 times repeatedly. The defoaming step is quite important. Don't be hasty. Can't be sloppy. Materials dry faster. if it is a large-scale construction. Must achieve the 3 quicks. Quick stirring, fast feeding, fast slow troweling. After all troweling of the ground is completed, clean up the excess material. Can't pile up on site. The material is not completely dry. You close the door when you're done. Prevent entry of animals or insects. Destroys the overall effect and surface sensory. After the ground is completed, at least 24 hours before it can be put into use, depending on the temperature. The drying time of the material surface will change. Material from wet to dry, glossy to matte, approximately 4 hours. Okay, thanks for watching. Not easy to make. If you like it, please help like, comment, and follow. We will continue to share more and better. More professional floor engineering cases. Thanks again. See you next time.